Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. What happens to your body as soon as you start eating eggs every day? Eggs have been a dietary staple for centuries, and yet there's so much misinformation and debate surrounding their effects on your health. In today's video, we'll break down what science really says about eggs, how they impact everything from your brain and muscles to your heart health, weight loss, and more. So grab your favorite snack, maybe an egg, and let's get started. Before we jump into the effects of eating eggs daily, let's first talk about what makes eggs such a powerhouse food. Eggs are rich in essential nutrients like protein, vitamins, and healthy fats. They are often referred to as nature's multivitamin, and for good reason. With all these nutrients packed into one small, affordable food item, it's no wonder eggs are one of the most consumed foods globally. One of the first things your body benefits from when you start eating eggs daily is the high-quality protein. Protein is crucial for muscle repair, especially if you're into fitness or lead an active lifestyle. The protein found in eggs is one of the most bioavailable forms, meaning your body absorbs and uses it efficiently. Studies show that eating an egg after a workout can enhance muscle recovery and growth, especially when paired with other high-protein foods. One of the lesser-known nutrients found in eggs is choline. Choline plays a critical role in brain health, particularly in maintaining the integrity of brain cell membranes and supporting neurotransmitter function. Eating eggs daily can actually help improve memory and cognitive function, and some studies suggest it may even reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease in older adults. Now, we need to address the elephant in the room, cholesterol. Eggs have been at the center of the cholesterol debate for years. So, what's the real story? Contrary to popular belief, recent research shows that for most people, dietary cholesterol in eggs does not significantly raise blood cholesterol levels. In fact, eggs may increase HDL cholesterol, the good's cholesterol, which is beneficial for heart health. Of course, if you have a pre-existing heart condition or genetic predisposition, it's always best to check with your doctor. But for the average person, an egg a day won't increase your risk of heart disease. In fact, it could help improve your heart health. Another benefit of eating eggs every day is their role in weight management. Eggs are high in protein, which helps to keep you feeling full for longer. This means you're less likely to snack on unhealthy foods throughout the day. In fact, studies have shown that people who eat eggs for breakfast tend to consume fewer calories over the next 24 hours compared to those who eat a high-carb breakfast like toast or cereal. This makes eggs an excellent food for anyone looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Eggs are also packed with antioxidants, specifically lutein and zeaxanthin, which are incredibly beneficial for eye health. These antioxidants help reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts, two common eye issues that come with aging. Including eggs in your daily diet can actually help preserve your eyesight as you age. So, if you want to keep your vision sharp, an egg a day could be just what you need. Did you know that eggs are one of the few natural sources of vitamin D? Vitamin D is essential for bone health, as it helps your body absorb calcium. By eating eggs every day, you're giving your bones the support they need to stay strong and prevent conditions like osteoporosis. The benefits of eggs aren't just internal. They also help with skin and hair health. Eggs contain biotin, a B vitamin that's essential for hair growth and healthy skin. Whether you want glowing skin or stronger hair, adding eggs to your diet can help promote healthy, radiant skin and stronger, thicker hair. Eating eggs daily may also help with anti-aging. The antioxidants in eggs combat oxidative stress, one of the primary drivers of aging at the cellular level. By reducing oxidative stress, eggs help to slow down aging and keep your body functioning at its best for longer. So, what happens to your body when you start eating eggs every day? The benefits are incredible, from muscle building and brain health to weight management, heart health, and more. Eggs truly are a superfood that can benefit your entire body. Of course, like anything, moderation is key. 1 or 2 eggs a day can work wonders for your health, but always listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have specific dietary concerns. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future health tips. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite way to eat eggs?